we're overwhelmed of that win because it's really a good game and nakita nila yung potential ng team after the playing because Bennett scored 41 points. And then masyado kami nag-rely sa kanya. And then next game was Blackwater, but I keep on addressing to them na it's not an easy team to beat because I keep on watching their game. So we started really flat. Imagine we're done by 22 points and then all of a sudden, na-wipe out namin yun. Nilimaman pa kami ng I think 5 or 6 points. Pero kinapos na rin eh. And I think there's a lot of lesson to take regarding that game. We cannot blink our eyes and dahil although out-rebounded namin sila and then second chance points mas agad. Pero ang importante yung fourth quarter na second chance points na yung mga offensive rebound. Marami nangyayari doon eh. Kay Andrade, kay CJ Austria, ganyan. And we just, some of the team namin just take it for granted eh, ganyan eh. Yan, because who will think naman, we played, we beat those teams NLEX, Converge, and Nebra, and then you're up against the team who's in the bottom four. Ganun. So it's a mindset. And I keep on telling them that there's no easy team to beat. But because sabi ko nga, na-overwhelmed sila. Panalo sa dahil for me, yung NX is a contender. They thought na it's easy for us to win Blackwater because they're already one foot nila nandun sa labas. Pero before the game, I told them na this team is really out there to make an upset because nagkaroon ng coaching changes, nagkaroon ng players changes. So that means their focus is on how to win. And everybody's buying the philosophy of their coaching staff. Yeah.
Naapektuhan ba yung playoff chances mo?